Hello everyone, Ceri the Crafter here, that's C-E-R-I the Crafter, and I am this month, and it's August 2023, I'm part of The Hop, which is a series of videos created on a theme that's actually initiated by a Facebook group called the Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artist Group, which was initiated and started and run by PM Artist Studio in Texas. They're a company I actually design stencils, masks, and foam stamps for, and once a month they have a theme, and the hop means basically there's about 10 to 15 minute videos as little teasers and tasters that are all linked together. So once you watch one, you then hop to the next, to the next, to the next, until you've seen them all. And if there's any you truly want to see all of the full tutorial, you can then click on that that taster or teaser, and it will take you through to the full-length tutorial. So I've done, it's about an hour's long tutorial, maybe a little bit more, on the piece that I made, and that's what everything, it's a wonderful way. I just loved it. It's like nice working with the theme. So the theme for this month was the words were C-S-E-A, me, so see me, Y-C, Y-A-C. Okay, confused me slightly, but I did get clarification on it, and basically I've decided to take the word see me and I'm going to add two words to it. It's going to be the sea and me. I've worked at sea a lot in my life. I've lived by the sea. The sea and the ocean is very important to me. I'm one of those people that's very much affected by the moon, and so is the ocean, which creates the tides. I never sleep better than when I'm at sea or within earshot of the waves. It's just, the ocean is magical, and it's wonderful. So when it came to this theme, I thought, right, I don't want to do a literal translation of the ocean or the sea. I wanted to go abstract. I wanted to play with texture. I had an idea for using water-resistant tissue paper, which I then manipulated to do what I wanted it to do. I'm probably not the first person to do it, and I probably won't be the last person to do it, but it worked for me. So the way I created the piece was I tested ideas. First one was this. I think this is probably, let's have a quick measure of this. I want to say it's about 4 inches, 3 and 3/4 by 5 3/4. It's just a little piece. If I'm going to start a new project or a new technique, I will very often make one of these. I put a little eyelet on it, and then I save these onto a ring or a wire, and then I know that that's my starting place. I liked this. Wasn't keen on the lattice work in it because I was trying to represent a fishing net, and I went, the ocean to me isn't fishing. The ocean to me is emotion and depth, power, danger, beauty, tranquility, all those things. And the net didn't work, so I redid it, and I came up with this one, which I think is a 5 by 7. Again, trying to capture, when you see a wave break on the shore and it pulls back, the way the surface of the wave crackles, the way the sunrise or sunrise or sunset catches the tips of waves. I loved this, but I was missing the white. But these two enabled me to create my final piece. And this is it. And for me, this captures so much of what the ocean is to me. The shallows, where you see the sand beneath it. The colour is almost that Mediterranean, that ocean in the Bahamas, that feel of the Caribbean. You've got that blue. The ocean isn't blue, it's every colour. It's dark, it's mysterious, it's greys, it's blues, it's teals, it's turquoise. And I wanted to capture that colour that spoke to me of clear crystal waters of beauty. I also wanted the depth of the ocean, the mystery, to be captured by the dark mystery of this colour. I wanted to come in with white to represent the flecks of foam which you see on the crests of waves. I also wanted with this piece to catch gold across the top of the surface of these, as if this image was a snapshot at dawn or dusk where the sun is just catching it. And possibly one of the things I absolutely love the most of all is this piece has no direction. it can be displayed in any direction it wants to be displayed, or will fit the space it's going to be hung in. For me, it's going to be my art studio, and I love it. And I just want to say, make sure you go and watch all of the hops, all of the short little videos that are introductions, teasers and tasters, and then go back through them. Even if you're watching them, just make a note of the channel name, or there should, in the description box of most of them, be a list of who the contributors were. Go across and see the full-length tutorial of what they created, and it'll be magical. So for me, this was a fabulous project. I absolutely loved it. This is going to take pride of place on my studio wall. I just love the texture of it all. I mean, it's just, there is just so much within this image. Absolutely so much. So thank you for your support, guys. Pop across, check out the full tutorial. It's about an hour's long. And see how I created this piece of art. So I'm Ceri the Crafter, and that's Ceri the Crafter. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye now.